Did you know that there is 5 different ways to install an electric fireplace? On this episode of the Modern Blaze Show, we're going to cover all of the installation options from the easy DIY projects to an extensive remodeling projects and even converting an existing fireplace into an electric fireplace. And you will learn everything you need to know about electric fireplace installation, from choosing the right unit for your needs to the actual installation process. I'm your host, Anastasia Vankova. I've been working with electric fireplaces since 2014, and I'm happy to share what I know with you. Okay, let's dive in.
The Modern Blaze Show.
First installation type is the easiest one. It will take you a few minutes. It is a freestanding installation. Freestanding electric fireplaces come with a cord. All you have to do is really just plug them in. You might have to do a little bit of assembly if your fireplace comes with a mantle. You will have to put that mantle together and you maybe brace it to the wall. Or if your freestanding electric fireplace is a TV stand or some kind of shelving unit, then you have to put that together as well. That is a caveat. That is definitely going to be an assembly required and it will take you a few minutes. But if it's just a stove that comes all assembled, a lot of times you remove the packaging material, plug it in, put the media in maybe. And it's very easy and straightforward. Who is this installation for? For people who maybe are in a temporary apartment or a place that they're moving a lot. It's great because you can then unplug your fireplace, take it with you, or if you just don't feel like remodeling, this is the best installation option for a quick and easy DIY solution. The next 3 installation types I'm going to talk about get frequently confused, so I'm going to clear things up here. Let's start with the first one, wall-mounted installation. So wall-mounted installation does not actually require any remodeling. When you wall mount an electric fireplace, you simply hang it on the wall and oftentimes just plug it in. You hide the cord and that's it. The way you hang it is like wall-mounted fireplaces, they will come with brackets. You attach the bracket to the wall and then you hang the fireplace on those brackets. Obviously, you have to find the studs and make sure that they can bear the weight of the fireplace, just like you would do with a flat screen TV that you mount on the wall. That is a wall-mounted installation, and there are different types of wall-mounted electric fireplaces. Some of them will come with a nice frame or like a shelving unit to make that fireplace look organically attached to the wall. Some of them will come with an optional trim that you can use to cover the gap between the wall and like the front of the fireplace, so you don't see that backside. I would recommend looking into those instead of just a regular wall-mounted fireplace. If from the side you'll be able to see the back of the fireplace, those are usually don't look that nice and finished. So the second type of installation is a built-in installation, and there are 2 subcategories, right? So you have it fully recessed into the wall or partially recessed into the wall. Fully recessed built-in installation means that you either built out the wall or just cut out an opening in your existing wall and insert the fireplace in, fully flashed with the wall surface. It will not stick out at all. This is fully recessed installation. Like I said, sometimes that installation will require you to build out the wall if your fireplace is really deep. Some fireplaces that are designed for built-in installation are slim enough to fit into 2x4 walls or 2x6 walls. So if you're not willing to build out the bump in your wall, then you can actually look into the models that are slim enough to fit into your existing wall, which is nice. And also there is a difference between different models, right? So some of them will come with a frame that will stick out just a little bit from the wall, and some are very sleek and allow you to build the finishing material, be that drywall or tile or stone, right to the glass of the fireplace, making it look very nice, sleek, and modern. So that is a fully recessed installation. Now, partially recessed installation comes into play when, let's say, you pick the model that is a little bit deeper than your wall, but you don't want to build out the wall, then you can partially recess it. When you partially recess the fireplace, it will obviously, you will have to cut out the opening, same as a built-in installation fully recessed, but part of it will stick out. Here, you might have an option to add a trim to cover that gap to make your installation look more streamlined, seamless, finished, right? So that is a partially recessed installation. It's a good solution if you don't want to build a bump out. and do a big remodeling project. And the last installation option is an insert. So if you have an old fireplace, old maybe masonry fireplace, wood, gas, it doesn't matter, and you want to convert it into electric fireplace, you can do that by simply inserting one of those fireboxes into your existing fireplace openings. Now, it can be a firebox or it can be a log set. There are electric log sets as well that can do the same thing. All you have to do is to make sure that there is a power inside of your existing fireplace opening. So that is the only caveat. You can plug it in or hardwire. Hardwiring is recommended by the manufacturers. And you need to make sure to close your chimney or the flue so that you don't lose any heat. Other than that, you take the electric firebox, you insert it into the existing fireplace opening. Most of those inserts are designed to fit traditional masonry fireplace, and it will seamlessly go in. You connect it to power, and then if you have any gaps, most of those electric fireplace inserts come with a trim to cover up the gaps, or you can use your own to make sure to match your design and style of your home. But that's pretty easy and straightforward installation. Oftentimes, converting your old fireplace into an electric fireplace is actually cheaper than taking out that old masonry fireplace. Just keep that in mind. And that's it. So here's a quick overview of everything we covered. We have freestanding fireplaces that are easy plug and play. We have wall mounted that can be just hung on the wall, also plug in. Very easy, no remodeling. Then we have two different options of a built-in installation, which will be your fully recessed or partially recessed, and then you have an insert installation for existing fireplace openings. I hope this video helps you understand different installation types of electric fireplaces so you can make the right decision when you are shopping for one. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'll do my best to answer, or give us a call. Here's the phone number on the screen. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.
The Fireplace Show.